August ni som pakhat sang ni som ni parugani Iran lampang hi an mang ang deu nge an sipai Hruaitu lu te hi thak kwal ani thak kwal mai ni tu na hian mo a chan chu Trump pa ber hianin Strait of Hormuz hi kan thun waya om to ni Iran puang pop maya he mi sung chang hi kan react tan main he kan en podang Yes, milk candy. Dora lấy tur tâm dio, lâu vậy về trên rốt tui thì phá win garing milk candy kher kher ri zamo.
President Trump is not backing down. He has put a new price on the table before any deal gets done. The demand lands as talks over the Strait of Hormuz hits a wall. And on the other side, Iran is rewriting its own chain of command.
Trump hi dia habai dong tu lo ni tu na hian. Thu in chu hi oma Strait of Hormuz pe chu thu in chu ni lo wa. Thu nei na in chu ani Mizo ani tu na hian mo. Pui dun khop maya Trump ai tlom du lo wa demand ani di la om don chu anin hi ka du ani aron tia Trump hian. Chuanin Iran lampang chuanin an IRGC enge an Revolutionary Guard Corps ang chi te kha tu na hianin a thu nei na man sem zai to te kha tu na hianin anin thak kwal ni me kinalang ani o.
Trump's latest move comes as both sides try to set the terms for any future agreement. Washington and Tehran have been trading demands, but Trump has now made clear that his own terms will also be part of any talks.
Iran lampang hian du an nei a. US lampang te pon du an nei a. Chuanin biak don reng hianin ti han anin trade ani. To na hianin Iran le Oman te hianin be me ka anin be zo to wa. Strait of Hormuz a long kaltang pui dan tu la te po anin rem thei to don ni na langa. Chuta tak chuanin Donald Trump a hianin in biak na apiang a hian ka du dan hi atel ve nge turani ti hi Trump a hianin aron nor lui ta pop mai ani.
Yeah, well, we're going to ask for money for the damage they've done over a 50-year period. Whether you go SS Cole or whether you go all of the people that were so badly hurt, so badly wounded.
Kumsom nga chung tu na Iran sarkar no Islamic Republic of Iran sipaite ani yang chu. Hen na Iran ram chunga thilan lo ti chiat zong man hi kan du ani. Ti pop maya hei taka hi chu ati omang lo ve de mo ka tia Trump pu hi chu ka tran view na Iran sipai te Iran sarkar te na kumsom nga chung te me an mani ro rel na Iran ram chunga poi an lo khoi to na zong man kha kan du ani tiang zong hoi zong hian ron tong thlat mai kan Trump pu hi mo
or killed many thousands of people and maybe damages for the 52,000 protesters over the last 4 months that were killed in Iran.
Mitam tak kumsom nga chung aro an ro rel la hianin an thata an ti hluma tin thalikal ta a protester Iran sarkar la kalung oilo na lantir tu mi si nga chuang an tha te po kha khang zong aman kha kan du ani ti ni.
We think their family should get damages for killing
Okay an family an chung ten zang na dom na an dong nge turani an ti ni
person or their child or mother, father that were protesting. It's at least, it was 52,000 a month and a half ago. So now what is it? So if there's damages to be paid, I think Iran should pay those damages.
Khatia nga minu na an lak to zong te mi puyan soi an khoi to zong te kha aman an pelek vet turani. An ti ni hi Trump pu yang ai dan ani hi adikati rolin Indoni masalama Donald Trump paten Irana me school an ka po awanga zirlai me chenau pang tam tak an thi kha te pokha United States hi chuanin mo phurna la a khata thita te chung te hne na khan poisa te hi pek an phu ve tholo web ni ti te pokha zona kha om the ani ta tak hi chuanin Trump hi chu ka support chi lo deu ani heta tak hi chuan mo.
The US president has also spoken about the security situation around the strait. He has offered his version of what is happening inside the critical waterway.
They've been coming in and they're going out. So it's actually open now. We do not let them go into Iran. They're not admitted into the Strait to go to Iran.
nia tu na hianin Strait of Hormuz a hianin voina te po news na te po ang kalong mo India Indian Navy te po han tel to in ka hre ani khatianga long va escort lutaron escort chuak tu te zinga khan mo tu na hianin Trump a hian king hianin a mu dan soi to Strait of Hormuz he chu tu na chonin in hong anga ni to in hong anga ni to long an ron luta an chuang boka amaro chu keini lampang chuanin Iran na luhi kan phal sak lawa ni tin Trump a hian hetiang hianin Strait of Hormuz a mu dan soi ani.
But it's open for others. Now, a little bit complex because they will, on occasion, drop a mine, and we find the mines. You know, we've mine swept the entire strait, as you probably maybe heard, maybe you didn't hear. But we control the strait 100%. Now, can they make trouble? Yeah, they can make trouble. But they're broke. They have no money. You know.
Iran teda boman kam ruk thin a mine kan tiang ti khamo Strait of Hormuz han khatiang te pokha United States si pailampang chuanin an lo thian fai zel ni na langa chuanin Trump pathil soipoi model ka ti pakha chu Iran te hian boina an la siam thegem ti hi Trump pangai dana chuan yes Iran te hian an du pho chuanin boina an la siam thei tuna te pon bom te pon ron kam ru le thei amaro chu aya poi mo zok chu Iran te hi tuna hianin an re thei to lutuka an ram economy a che to lutuka boina siam te hi an mani hianin an tlin zo khangem ti kha ani to aron tia ha kha chu adik na chena om ka ti
Iran is broke, totally broke.
re thei khop Iran.
This comes as Trump has signaled that he may be willing to lower the bar for ending the conflict. The Wall Street Journal reported that Trump was ready to end the West Asia conflict without a deal on Iran's nuclear program.
Trump a hianin Indo na hi nuclear lampang a deal siam kherlo hianin ti top mai po arem ti don ni na langa ni tu na hian mo amaro chu heti anga ni hi chuanin ati lampanga Iran a vo na ne kha chuanin a in person de to a chan chu ati lampanga hanin Trump kha chuanin Iran hianin nuclear chungchanga deal min siam pui don lo ni chuan ke chuanin kan bom zelang tiang zong a thu soi thin kha ania amaro chu New Zealand report dan chuan tu na chuan nuclear lampanga deal an siam thei don lo ni pon Middle East hianin Indo na te po hi ati top thei kan ti top thei thawang a tiang hoi zong hianin Trump na soitin anon report that mai nei.
According to the report, Trump believed that reopening the strait could allow him to declare an end to conflict, and he had discussed that option privately with senior aides. And while Washington makes demands, Tehran is making changes at home.
He August nikwa nimin pi alama Wall Street Journal ina a report ania heta hianin Trump chuanin mipui mo tak tenen hianin arukin Strait of Hormuz kan hon theina turani hi chuanin nuclear deal siam kherlo hianin thilte po itimai anga ti lo soipui ani hi US official lampang hianin anron soitlat maine he is willing to walk away without a nuclear deal antitlat.
Iran has announced a major overhaul of its military leadership. The reshuffle comes after senior Iranian commanders were killed in US-Israeli strikes earlier this year.
Today hianin an mani Iran sipai te an ho tu te po anron in sik soi thadon megane
6 senior appointments have now been announced across Iran's armed forces.
6 senior appointments, okay. Let's
The
see.
Revolutionary Guards and other security bodies.
Nia Indo tir lampang hanin US te Israel te lampang hanin an thasak na sat elo Iran sipai te himon ho tu lu te an thasak na salutuka ka wang hanin ho tu mumal nei lo hianin an lo omve char tu na hianin Iran hianin military lama hianin ho tu tharan nei cheu maya Major General Pilot Ali Abdullahi Chief of Staff of the Armed Forces ni na hepa hianin aron nei le ani hetianga a ho tu lu ni phachi ni chu US le Israel lampang hianin target le du mayanga.
The changes are aimed at restoring
Commander-in-Chief IRGC Ahmad Vahidi hi chu hepai chu lar
a clear chain of command within Iran's military. Major General Ali
Deputy Chief of Staff Brigadier General Mohammed Reza Gharei Ashtiani minga wathuive and he Deputy Chief of Staff
Abdullahi takes over as Chief of Staff of the Armed Forces. Former Defense Minister Ahmad Vahidi has been named
Commander IRGC Ground Force. Major General Mohammed
Commander-in-Chief of the Revolutionary Guard, and Rear Admiral Ali
Brigadier General Aziz Nasir Zadeh Defense Minister
May now leads the Guards Navy, which operates around the Persian.
Brigadier General Gholam Reza Merabihi Deputy Coordinator armed forces ani he mel han en chuan he pa te chu va fel mel ro ve ngai tlom mel re hle ma
Gulf. Analysts say the reshuffle puts hardliners at head of Iran's military and naval forces. The newly appointed chief of staff has previously warned neighboring countries that hosting foreign troops could draw them into a wider war.
tu na hianin Iran in na tianga Hruaitu thar ron appointed singa hianin an chief of staff chuanin Iran then om te hi warning a pe a United States sipai mo Israel sipai mo Iran ram beitu te reng heng mi te in lo host na in ram Iran beina in mantir chuan Indona na sa zoki at suwakang tihinga ng warning sa uti zongin chief of staff yanin la warning taw ni
Regional observers now expect Iran to take a tougher line on security around the Strait of Hormuz, and the timing of this shake-up is also significant. Talks over shipping and security arrangements in the Strait of Hormuz have made little progress.
Tunay hianin Strait of Hormuz na mahin in biak na tutling reng ma se progressi an la siam mumal lo ang reng khop me thili an finalize lay thilo ni an hanin betchina an hanin dor china an soya anin benona amaro an finalize lay thilo ni final tak hi shetur om thin lawa chutiang ani mek lai chuan tunay hianin Iran lampang hianin hen sipai ho tulu poimo deu mai hei hardcore kan ti ang chi mo e ru kol deu ang chi hi tu na hianin an ron appoint thar chia boxia engtin nge hei hianin an ron hong hriat a chak om hle mai US le Iran indoor na zong te Iran le Oman in biak na zong te hi ron ngong na sa thei ani.
The waterway between Iran and Oman is a critical route for global oil and gas shipments. Negotiations have focused on commercial navigation, transit conditions, and security guarantees for vessels using the strait. However, Iran has also laid out conditions for fully reopening the strait. Tehran wants an end to the war on all fronts. It is also demanding an end to the US naval blockade of Iranian ports, the lifting of sanctions, and the release of frozen Iranian assets.
Iran hizon indo hiti tawp kan do ni US ina frozen assets ati assets ati nga man phalo lo shen sang zong te tin Iranian port Iran long chol lamuna long te US ina lu aphal sak lo te khang zong te pokha Iran la pawson ti tawp kan do ni tuna hian amaro chu
Iran is also seeking compensation for wartime damage.
Amaro chu tiang zong kha US na theihloh sak dong em ti kha chu zona ni chonin thil pakhat poimo de chu ni china pokhanin Donald Trump pokhan ron soi to Iran te hianin Iran sipai te Iran sarkar te hianin Iran mi puite an tha na zong te an chung te thena zang na dom nan petura ni tiang vel zong hanin soi kha tiang kha Trump pakhana dimana so ni kha tiang deu chi khanin Iran lampang hianin Iran sarkar hianin US laka tang hianin tuna indona awanga thilan ti chiat zong man hi an pelet tura ne ti hi Iran lampang hin an demand bokani mo khatiang hanin demand kha an siam ve ani tu wang chuan an demand siam te hi ati hlawhtlin theihloh ve na la lang ri tuna hi chuanin an tol du lo ve in karing tuna hi chuan mo e poni se apoi mo bera chu hetianga e deal siam thei mai din huna an din lai hianin Iran lampang hianin an sipai ho tu te jinga hena ru kol tak hi hetiang hianin an han appoint chho le ta hei hi chuanin beng hi chu a ver khop mai ani video lai kan in hmule theu do ne